and that ensures I'm Morning everybody, it is Thursday morning today and I'm starting to feel better, but I'm not 100% better. I'm still sick. And so today's workout, I've got a really cool idea for a video that I'm going to do on hamstring flexibility. And if you've been watching any of my shorts lately, I've been experimenting with a new editing style, so I want to play around with this. But I just feel so stiff and sore because I haven't done much exercise at all over the last couple of days because I've been sick. And so I'm just going to do a bit of a hamstring flexibility session today so that I can warm my body up so that when I film, I can actually demonstrate hamstring flexibility instead of demonstrating what someone looks like when they've been in bed and sitting around on the couch for a couple of days trying to recover from sickness. So that's my workout for today. I hope you guys enjoy it or get something out of it. I used to do more flexibility work than I do now because there was a time when flexibility was the thing that really stood out to me as preventing me from being able to achieve my goals. And that is no longer the case. It is strength. It is preventing me from getting to what I want to be able to do. So I still do flexibility training, of course. And if you watch my videos, you know that. But it is not my priority at all. My priority is building strength, building muscle, and maintaining flexibility. So this is what you're going to see now is a little bit of, I guess, kind of the stuff that we do in the flexibility masterclass, using end range contractions for the quadriceps and the hip flexors. I'm going to do a little bit of loaded stretching, but I'm really just going to try and warm my body up to get to a point where I can demonstrate some half decent hamstring flexibility. And I'm also going to be doing a couple of little flips and maneuvers in my video. So I hope you watch it. If you haven't seen my recent shorts, go to our channel and have a look at the 3 things I wish I knew when I practiced Kung Fu, or the other one, 3 reasons to practice the horse stance, or something like that, something about the horse stance. Because both of those videos I'm playing around with what I think is a pretty cool video editing style that I got inspired to play with from another YouTuber. So yeah, there you go. I'm still really blocked up. And I had to really, really motivate myself to do this today. I was just not feeling like it at all, but I can't get out of my head. I've had this idea in my head for this video for about a week now. And I'm the kind of person, I start going nuts if I don't act on my ideas. If they stay in my head for too long, it really, it eats me up. All right. And I'm actually I don't normally do much foam rolling on my calves and ankles, mostly because they're not the areas of my body that are super tight. Like what really locks up for me overnight is my hips and my lower back because of my spondylolisthesis. That causes, the anterior pelvic tilt, and that just causes everything to tighten up. But today I am going to be doing some dynamic hamstring stretches, or if you're a martial artist, I'm going to be doing axe kicks, and I'm going to be doing some cartwheels and a few things for this video. So I've got to try and get these these old muscles nice and limber because I've been just sitting around in bed for too long. I hate being sick. It sucks. It really does. I'm a high achiever, so I don't sit around doing nothing very well at all. I've always got something going on, and if I am sitting around doing nothing, I'm always thinking of my next move. I've always got my mind on the next thing. So I'm just going to finish this. I'll do a tiny bit of foam rolling on my lower back in a minute, and then I'll get into my hamstring work and get myself ready for this video. Okay, let's warm this lower back up. All right, let's get into some hamstring work. Okay, I'm going to start with some axe kicks, and when you're doing dynamic flexibility work, you always start gently. I haven't done these for a long time, back in my Kung Fu days. Big mistake people make with dynamic moves like this is that they raise the heel off the ground and bend this leg and flex the spine, and it's all just cheating the hamstring flexibility. What you want to do is really see how I'm keeping from my head to my foot relatively straight on the supporting leg and keeping the heel on the ground as best as I can. And that ensures I'm getting a good hamstring stretch. See, you can go higher like that, but you're just cheating. It's not an accurate measurement of hamstring flexibility. Never start with your best effort. Always warm up. Now I'm just going to do some Romanian deadlifts. Oh man, I'm feeling stiff. going to do some toe kicks, and these are, you know, an antagonist end range contraction to help hack the nervous system, which is a part of hamstring flexibility. Balancing this act of getting my body ready for this video and not exerting myself too much when I'm sick. All right, and now I haven't done this for a while in my programming, but I'm actually going to do a little bit more of it, just mainly because I haven't done it for a while, and this is really good. So this is just a dorsi flexed Romanian deadlift, and then I'll go into a hamstring stretch hold at the end. And so this is really just, it adds intense calf stretch into the posterior chain. Whoo! Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. All right. Maybe one more of these. I really don't want to, but I will. Oh, that is so intense. I'm going to do a bit more work on those in my next program phase. All right, let's see how I go. Oh yeah, I'm going to make another video now, so hopefully I'll be able to do my full workouts again tomorrow. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.